In this video, we'll be discussing the FastPass RJ45 kit. The FastPass RJ45 kit includes all the essentials for terminating RJ45 plugs onto copper patch cords. Housed in a protective clear plastic case, the kit includes step-by-step cable termination instructions on the inside cover. The FastPass RJ45 kit includes an RJ45 crimp tool, a cable stripper for stripping the outer jacket, as well as replacement blades for each tool. Also included are 25 Cat5e and 25 Cat6 plugs and 50 boots. The Cat6 plugs included in the kit contain a metal bar, whereas the Cat5e plugs do not. To terminate a cable, first slide on a strain relief boot so the open side faces the direction you'll be terminating. FastPass RJ45 plugs and boots can accommodate a max OD of 6.98 millimeters. Next, strip off 1 1/4 inches from the outer jacket, exposing the inner 4 pairs. Untwist the pairs and straighten each of the 8 conductors. If your cable contains a spline or inner strength member, cut it now so that it's flush with the outer jacket. Arrange the 8 conductors to match the 568 wiring method you want to use. This is pointed out on the front cover of the kit. For this video, we're using the 568B method. Now that the conductors are in the correct order, make a fresh, straight cut. This will ensure that each of the conductors slide into the proper lanes when inserted into the plug. With the FastPass RJ45 plug's conductors facing up toward you, insert the 8 wires and make sure the outer jacket is pushed into the plug as far as possible. Now slide up the restraint boot until it is fully seated into the plug. Finally, using the crimp tool, insert the entire FastPass RJ45 plug, including the boot, into the slot, giving it a firm squeeze which will cut and crimp all 8 conductors in one shot. You have now terminated a cable using the FastPass RJ45 kit.